Greetings everyone, welcome to this channel again. In this video we are going to see the reason why we choose Python programming language. We choose Python because Python is known for its simplicity. Python programming is one of the simplest programming languages. The other reason we choose Python is because of its readability. Python programs are near to English language. That means any novice programmer or a programmer that comes from other programming languages can easily understand the source code of Python. The other reason we choose Python is because it has got lower learning curve as compared to other programming languages. It means someone can understand Python programming language within a short period of time. The other reason we choose Python because of its capability used for various purposes. Python is used for web development. By studying Python, we can be a web developer. Python can be used for scientific computing. Python can be used for data science and machine learning. Python can be used for game development. This means one can be a game developer after studying Python programming language. Python has extensive libraries. When we say extensive libraries, it has got a huge number of pre-written code, modules, and packages with diverse functionality. So we can import and use those libraries whenever needed. Python is platform independent. That means it can be run on macOS, Windows, and Linux operating systems. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will install Jupyter Notebook and Python using Anaconda. Have a nice time.